Guys, welcome to the video. It's gonna be sparkler today.
have another flashlight somewhere.
Warning: this will have sparkling lights. Wow.
Pull it. Pull the string. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it back. Pull hard. What came out? Oh, maybe some confetti.
I'm gonna write my name.
Right there. Let me see if you have a little one.
Grayson.
Okay. You want to do the tank, Bubba?
Yeah, here in a sec. Woohoo! Spinning and done.
No, put it in that car. Go down that way.
Uh-oh, there's suddenly a pile.
I don't think we got any. We got lighters, but those are the
Okay, guys, there is a firework being lit over there. Whoa.
Spin around.
Wow, it's a tank. Isn't it?
That's probably best.
Oh, it's done. Alright,
No, that one ain't.
got a football.
Don't pop. No, don't pull that shit. Do a little ball. See what they do.
Okay, guys, we're back. There's a... I don't think that was... But, okay.
It's a fountain. Maybe we can do these.
Okay, on to fountains now.
Here's a gun.
Oh, yeah, there's a
Bubba,
flare
you got
gun.
a gun. You sure that's a fountain? I don't know.
That has to be a fountain, right? I'll zoom in.
Little one.
Oh, okay, it's starting to move. Woohoo! That was really good. That was really, really good.
I think Bubba here, push the gun that way.
Okay, the gun is right here. 3, 2, 1. Ow. Ah!
Can't push it. Shoot it at yourself.
Yeah, can you help me?
Here's another. Do you light them?
I don't know. Is there like a...
It's hard to see. Where's the flashlight?
Well, they're doing fireworks, and they're doing fireworks, and they're doing fireworks. I don't know, the flare gun is not working for some
Here it
reason.
is. I think they're just flammable. It says party poppers. Oh.
It looks daytime, but it's really nighttime. It's like 8 o'clock right now.
How do you do it? Like a gun? Look, there they go. Look, there.
Oh, okay, another fireworks show.
I don't know.
That's concerning.
Ah, look.
There's someone there too, but we're focusing on this one. I'll zoom in. Okay.
The bigger sparklers, that's it. No, those are the cheap ones.
Okay, guys, we're back up with the fireworks. And they're lighting. Both. Woo! That was right. That was pretty good.
She got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I thought we had another.
That was like 3 in 1. We got some smoke bombs.
Smoke bomb. Look at it color.
Back to sparkler. Now my sister has some sparklers, and she is playing around with them. All right. Pretty. Whoa. Oh, okay. That was amazing.
Okay, turn it this way. Don't put it by your face. There. Watch your hand. Watch your hand. Watch your hand. Don't put it by your hand.
Amazing.
Put it out. There you go. Like
Magnificent.
that. It'll burn you. It'll burn. Now turn it that way. Not the Bubba.
Wow, cool. The smoke's coming out that way and the sparks that way. That's pretty sick. And it burned out. I think you're supposed to like throw it on the ground. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, at least we got some of it. lava
We need
in
to see us
Minecraft.
right there, real good. Yeah.
What's this?
You can hear everything. I think it's that. Oh, come here.
Army
Over
truck.
Here.
Lie, dude.
It's a race car. They used to have a Whistler. Wow. That car ain't very fast, is it?
That's really eventful. But hey, it'll still a firework.
This motor is. You want to do another sparkler, Bubba?
Yeah, let's do another sparkler.
Okay. hold on.
Another sparkler for me. Whoa, I bet you want to see. I guess. Oh, and another one was add the fire.
Ellie, over here.
And mine
Watch
just
your-
burned out. Just step on it. There we
I don't
go.
know if it lit that other one. It's like a strobe light.
Yay!
Hold on. Watch out.
There goes my sister. And she's lighting another one. See what she's doing. There's a one, there's one, there's one, there's one. Oh wow. Oh, another one. It's rolling down. At least it was successful. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna back up.
I know.
Another one being lighted. Is it gonna be lighted? I can't see it. Hang on.
I think that's just random.
Time being. We're back. Ah! Yay! Hey, that was better. It was still something. Right? Right? We're back to the fireworks. Bye bye bye. Ah! Yay!
Which one? Now you pop them out of that black part.
There we go. They're lit out. Nice.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Whoa, two at a time. That's running off. What it does, like right there. Well, hey, that ran off.
Okay. Cut.
Now we got two sparkles at a time. Banana, banana, banana. Do you want to see this? Huh? Let's drop them. And ah, it lit again. It lit. What a miracle. And that was it too. Oh, this one lit while I was stomping on it. She got three. I only got one. That's alright. Aw, I forgot.
No, put them over there in that pile, baby.
Here, let me grab this one and grab this one.
Here, let me light it.
Let's grab this one too. And I need to see where the pile is. Oh, the pile's over here. It's far right here.
Watch
There
out,
we go.
Grayson.
Oh!
It's just a smoke bomb, I think.
Oh, smoke bomb.
Watch out. Just in case.
Smoke bomb?
Oh, look. What color is it? Look, it's red.
Oh, it's flaming red flames.
Oh, it's hard to see.
It is really hard to see.
Look, there's another one.
Here, let's do some colors. You need to put the
This is some
flashlight.
colors.
I'll put the flashlight. I'll do.
To it. Okay, there's two at the time. One is smoking green.
Oh wow. I think it's green, yellow.
I think that's white.
It's hard to tell.
Oh, and there's a blue one. There's a blue one and a.
Blue.
I think that's a white one. A white one and a blue one.
And these are.
And I think it's a blue one.
We need to put these together. That kills mosquitoes. Actually.
That smells. God dang.
Okay, y'all back up. We're into the spinning one. This is probably it.
And this is the last one of the video.
my
Oh, okay,
goodness.
maybe not the last one. I record everything.
Watch out, Sissy. Back up. Grayson, back up.
Bunch of these.
Okay, let's back up to the finale. Last
Well.
one.
It's just a little one.
Right there is what we're targeting. I'll
Back
zoom
up.
in for the last one.
Look, Sissy. Yeah, try to time
That was
it.
the last
Put them
one.
together.
Bye, guys. See you in the next one. Please subscribe. See you later. Bye.